Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to change the video format in Pictory. So let's get started. To tailor your video for any platform by learning how to change its format on Pictory. And step into the world of versatile video creation. Different platforms, different requirements. Method number 1. Click on the aspect ratio button above your scene view. Select your desired aspect ratio from the options presented. Method 2. Explore the Format tab on the left-hand bar. Pick from the available options 16:9 for landscape, 9:16 for portrait, or 1:1 for square. Click your chosen format and voila! Your video transforms instantly. Adapt, innovate, create. Customize your video format effortlessly on Pictory. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.